We have 2 times a binomial times a binomial. Let's focus on this part first. The 2 we'll leave alone and include a large bracket. We have first, outside is going to be negative 6x, inside is going to be negative x. So we do that together. And last, we have negative times negative is positive 2. We can then use distribution. So we get 6x squared minus 14x plus 4. For the sake of practice, let's try this question one more time. You're allowed to distribute the 2 right off the bat, but not to all parts. So if you want, 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. We just copy down this other factor. And we use FOIL. First, 6x squared. Outside, we have negative 12x. Inside, minus 2x. So we put this together as negative 14x. And finally, last, we have negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. We have the same answer. Here we have 3 factors. Let's multiply the negative 2 to the left. But really, we could have also multiplied to the right. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. We keep the brackets. And this question now simply becomes a FOIL question. First, negative 2x squared. Outside, positive 8x. Inside, negative 4x. And last, positive 16. Gathering like terms, we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 16. Let's multiply a binomial times a trinomial. This is you feeding the dog, cat, and fish. X times x squared is x cubed. X times x is x squared. X times 1 is x. And now this is your friend feeding the dog, cat, and fish. Negative 1 times x squared is negative x squared. Negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Now we combine like terms. X cubed simply becomes x cubed. These terms cancel, and so do these. And we're simply left with x cubed minus 1, which is the simplified version of the answer. Let's try this larger question. A trinomial times a trinomial. We start with you feeding the dog, cat, and fish. X squared times 1 is x squared. We have minus x cubed. We have minus x4. And now it's your friend's turn. Distribution here, here, and here. X times 1 is just x. So we'll use positive x. X times negative x is negative x squared. Notice how I'm aligning the powers. And x times negative x squared is negative x cubed. Finally, this third person feeds the dog, cat, and fish. 1 times 1 is positive 1. 1 times negative x is negative x. And 1 times negative x squared is negative x squared. We put this all together, and we have x squared minus x squared cancels. And so we have x squared. And now we have negative 2x cubed, which we can put here if we want to. And we have a negative x to the 4. We'll put it here. These cancel, and we have a positive 1 here. So this is our final answer.